दोस्तों वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या MLM पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello friends and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, in this complete video, we are going to have a brief discussion about a very amazing system. And this is such a platform where if you join, then you are going to have a very huge profit as well as you can make your future financially stable. So friends, directly if we talk about this system, so the name of this platform is Epitome Group and their official website is www.epitomegroup.llc.us. So friends, at the very first, let us have the complete knowledge about the entire profile of Epitome Group. So Epitome is a unique and empowering forex and crypto platform where Epitome offers a highly profitable investment for everyone. The company has had very good results in both trading and startup financing. So the company or the system is here to provide each and every necessary tool to its user so that they can find it very easy to trade and invest with this platform. So friends, now moving ahead, let me give you some reason that why should you go with Epitome Group or why should you choose us. So here, Epitome is providing you a very unique business opportunity. While there are countless opportunities in the market today, where people struggle to find one platform that nearly is as transparent, simple and sustainable as Epitome. So here, Epitome is providing you and building a system that is profitable to the consumers and today it is relevant and awarding and rewarding in the future. So friends, moving ahead, if we have a complete knowledge about what is crypto mining, so let me tell you that Epitome Mining was established in April 2014. This is one of the most advanced cryptocurrency cloud mining, hash rental service and multipool. The system is providing you with excellent added value services to all its miners, digital currency traders and investors. And their service is highly recognized. So friends, Epitome is becoming leading producer of semiconductors, server and data center solutions for that the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry. So friends, here after having the brief knowledge about all its information and profile, let us discuss the complete vision and mission of Epitome Group. So first of all, if we discuss the Epitome's vision, so here they aim to become industry leaders by fully exploring the potential of the financial markets and placing their clients' needs at the center of every decision they make. Later on, if we discuss about the Epitome's mission, so it is that returns, security, liquidity, facility and innovation. Their mission is to maximize the value of their clients and to provide them all these facilities. So friends, here after having a brief discussion about the complete introduction of Epitome Group, let us directly talk about the complete career plan or the business plan of this system. So here, first of all, I am going to tell you everything related to the joining and packages provided here so that you can know the process that how can you move one step forward towards your earning. So here, the Epitome system is providing you with 5 types of packages which are called its self-reliable packages. Here, according to your desire, you can choose any of these packages and you can start your earning. So the first package which is available here is the basic package, in which you can activate your ID with $10 to $700. Then the second available package is economic, wherein you can do your activation with $750 to $4,950. Third package is the classic, wherein you can do your activation with $5,000 to $24,950. Then the fourth package is executive, wherein you can do your activation with $25,000 to $99,950. And the last package which is available, in this package you can complete your activation with 1 lakh or more than that. So friends, here once you complete your activation with any of your desired package, after that you will be eligible to have the complete benefit of all the types of income provided by the company. So here, if we discuss about the first type of income which you can get from the Epitome Group, so that is the self-royal pay or SRP. So here, if you activate your ID with the basic package, then you will get 0.75% of SRP. If you complete your activation with the second package, that is economic, then you will get 1% SRP. On having the activation with classic package, you will get 1.15% SRP. Once you have completed your activation with the executive package, then you will get 1.25% SRP. And at the last, if you have done your activation with the superlative package, then you will be eligible to get 1.5% of SRP as your complete income. So here, you will get a total of 200% return from here. So here, the second type of income which you can get from this system is the direct royal pay. So again, from this type of income, you will get the income on the basis of package chosen by you. So for example, if you have completed your activation with basic package, then you will be eligible to get 0.05% of DRP or direct royal pay. Then, if you have completed your activation with economic package, then you will be eligible to get 0.075% of DRP. Or else, if you have completed your activation with classic package, then you will get 0.10% as DRP. If you have done the activation with executive package, then you will get 0.115% of DRP. Or else, if you have done the complete activation with superlative package, then you will be eligible to get a complete of 0.125% DRP from here. So like this only, with DRP also you can have a very amazing income from here. So friends, after this, the next type of income which appears in the line is the gross referral pay. So as it is cleared by the name itself, the number of referral you bring under your level, that much income you will get from each level. So in gross referral pay, you can get your income from a total of 5 levels, in which in first level you will get 5% from each referral. In second level, you will get 3% as your GRP from each referral. In third level, you will get 2% as GRP. In fourth level, you will get 1% as GRP. And on fifth level, you will get 1% as GRP from each referral done by you. That means here your income is based on the generation spill system. So friends, now after this, moving ahead, let us discuss the complete amazing concept or income which you can get from this plan. That is the crew luxurious pay. So here, you can achieve different designations and some percentage as your crew luxurious pay, and the calculation of this is based on the major and minor legs on monthly basis. Here, I'll tell you the complete example with the help of a table, where we will discuss the complete business volume which must match in your major as well as in the minor legs. On matching that business volume, you can get the particular designation and some percent as your crew luxurious pay income. So here, if we discuss this in detail, so at the very first, when you match up $1,000 of business volume in your major as well as in your minor legs, then you will get the designation of a starter as well as you will get 5% as your crew luxurious pay income. Secondly, if you are able to complete or match $2,500 of business volume in both the legs, then you will get the designation of a squad and as well as you will get 5% of income from here. Third, when you can match up $7,500 of business volume, then on that you will get the designation of a specialist and you will get 5% as your income. After that, if you are able to match the $15,000 of business volume in both the legs, then on this matching you will get the designation of sergeant and you will get 6% as your profit or income from here. So friends, like this similarly, as you can see in the complete table, the complete business volume which you are needed to match in your major and minor legs is clearly indicated. Herein, you can read out the complete table, the designation which you can achieve and the percentage of income which you can get from here. So likewise, when you achieve all the designation which are mentioned in the table, then after that you will get to know that you have achieved a very good profit from this complete income type. Now after this, when you achieve your luxurious pay, on that basis, member or you will receive royalty up to the time period of 10 months. So this is what we are going to discuss now, and we are going to have a brief discussion about the crew royal pay. So friends, here to get the crew royal pay income, you will have to match up certain business volume which are indicated in the table, on the basis of which you will be provided designation in complete 4 steps, and accordingly you will be getting your royalty income up to the time period of 10 months. So if we discuss this in detail, so first of all, when you do a matching of $1,000 business volume, then your designation will be of a starter, and this is the step 1. Then secondly, when you have done the matching of $2,500 business volume, then your designation will be of a squad, and you will get $20 as your royalty up to the time period of 10 months. Third, if you have done the matching of $7,500 business volume, then your designation will be specialist and you will get $40 as your royalty income up to the time period of 10 months. After that, if you are able to match up $15,000 business volume, then your designation will be of sergeant and you will get $75 as your royalty income up to the time period of 10 months. After that, next, if you are able to match up $25,000 business volume, then your designation will be master and you will get $100 as your royalty income up to the time period of 10 months. So friends, likewise up to the master designation, this was the step 1, and now after that the step 2 is going to start. So if we discuss about step 2 itself, then if you are able to match up $50,000 business volume, then your designation will be chief, and after that, when you can match up $75 business volume, your designation will be captain and you will get $300 as your royalty income up to the time period of 10 months. Friends, this is the step 2, and likewise with the similar process, you can see the complete business volume which you have to match and the designation which you can get according to that one. So with the help of Crew Royal Pay Income also, you can extract a very good royalty income from here with the help of some business volume which you have to achieve. So friends, after having the discussion of all the income types, let us discuss the amazing concept or the center of attraction of this complete system, that is the lifetime rewards. So here, on the basis of particular business volume completed by you and as well as by your first leg and second leg, you will be provided with certain awards which are just amazing as this complete concept. So here if we discuss this in detail, so when you have a total business volume of $10,000, from which 30% is done in your first leg of $3,000 and second leg also 30%, that is of $3,000, then you will get an award of $200 from here. Secondly, if you have a total business volume of $25,000, from which 30%, that means $7,500 is completed with the first leg, and second leg has completed other 30%, that is of $7,500. Then on completing this, you will get $500 as your lifetime reward. Third, if you have completed the total business volume of $75,000, from which 30%, that is $22,500 is completed in the first leg and other 30% is completed in the second leg, then you will get $1,500 as your award. After that, if you have a total business volume completed of $2 lakh, in which 30% is completed by the first leg of $60,000 and other 30% by the second leg of $60,000, then on completing this, you will get $3,000 as your amazing award. So friends, likewise with the same calculation, you can calculate all the awards, business volume required for that, and the amazing lifetime rewards which you can get from this amazing concept. So after having the brief discussion of all types of income and award and reward, let us discuss the complete roadmap of Epitome Group. So friends, this system is ready to give you much more benefits and opportunity in the coming future, from which the first one is e-commerce platform. As soon as the travel platform gets on the floor or third quarter, this will also be introduced. Second one is the tourism platform that will be introduced in the second quarter. Then payment platform where the Epitome family will get easy access to word transaction, and this is going to launch in the year 2022. After that, if we talk about the last one, so that is the Forex brokerage platform. And the Epitome Group is hoping that to be lead world market in Forex broking, and that will be introduced by 2021's ending. So friends, likewise in this complete video, we had a brief discussion about the amazing concept Epitome Group's complete business plan, the benefits and the awards and rewards which you can easily extract out from here. So if you also want to have a very good profit from here, and if you also want to secure your coming future, then you can join with the Epitome Group as soon as possible. For video related query or for any other information, you can contact on the details given in the description, or else you can visit the system's website, which is www.epitomegroup.llc.us. Thank you.